Okay guys, welcome back. Let's get over our ingredients. So this is my snapper fillet, much easier to eat than the fish with the head and the bone. We have some black pepper, some complete seasoning, some healthy fish seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning again, some jerk seasoning, some Louisiana Cajun seasoning, and some fish seasoning there. We're gonna add generous amount to everything. We're gonna also add some scallion, onion, garlic, and pepper. Then I have some fresh thyme. I have pumpkin, carrot, and bell peppers, and that's all my ingredients to make this delicious steamed fish. Let's go, guys. Once I add all my powder seasoning, I'm going to mix that in. Make sure the neck side of the fish also gets some of that seasoning. Now I'm going to chop my fresh seasoning and add those to my fish as well. I will be adding some allspice or pimento seed. I turn this into a powder by grinding it up, so I don't have to deal with the seed and I have more flavor this way. Add in some thyme, just a leaf. Then guys, we're going to cover it and allow it to marinate for 1 hour. Now I have some pumpkin here and I'm going to chop those really fine. You don't have to chop them fine because I'm going to cook them and blend them anyways. While my fish marinade and my pumpkin is cooking, I am going to chop up some spice, my carrot and my bell pepper. And then I am also going to clean and chop my okra. Once my pumpkin finished cooked and cooled down, I am going to add that to my blender and blend it out. Then I am going to add it to my pot. Then I'm going to add my fresh spices, my carrot and my pepper and my thyme. Once that comes to a boil, I am going to add my snapper fillet. Then I'm going to cover it up and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, that's what it looked like. Beautiful. I'm going to flip them and allow the other side to cook for another 5 minutes. These are fillet, and you don't want to overcook these kind of fish because then it will get rubbery. I actually don't know what kind of fillet they are or snapper they are, but these snapper get rubbery if you overcook them. Not like the original snapper that I am accustomed to, that if you overcook it, it only gets softer and softer. This will get tough. It is kind of strange, but yes, so it's 5 minutes on each side. And within the 5 minutes, you're going to add your okra and your tough crackers. So keep watching, guys, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe for a delicious recipe. Once it cooked for about 2 minutes, I am going to flip them. I like to finish off my fish with them facing up, skin side down, and then I'm going to add my okra. If you know me, I do not like my okra soft. If you like yours a little bit soft, you can allow it to cook more. You could have added it in the 2-minute marks and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. If you want it even more, you add it within the 1-minute mark and allow it to cook more. I'm just going to let that cook for a little bit. Then I'm going to add a little bit of butter. And then at the last minute, this is like less than a minute, guys, I am going to add my Excelsior water crackers. In Jamaica we call this tough crackers. It goes so well with steamed fish. Less than a minute, because you don't want your crackers to be soft. And in America I get this at El Presidente. I think Walmart is now carrying this tough crackers. I'm sure a lot of Jamaican already know where to get their tough crackers, but that's just a little tip if you don't. I remember when I come here, I was frustrated because I didn't know where to get my tough crackers. And there you have it, guys. I am all done. That's it. Dinner is ready. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Remember to like, comment, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy, guys. Bye.